Okay, I'm setting up the camera. Oh. Oh, darn it. Okay, we're gonna have to find a new location.
Okay,
walking along. Walk.
Right
Walk.
There's people over there.
There's some more random citizens. More random people and their cool boat, which I do not like.
They're pretty cool.
Look at this really steep hill. They think we're freaks, but I think they're freaks with their shirts off. Doggy, doggy. Okay, so
Andrew, we need to run.
yeah.
Go back. This Andrew is getting his brother.
This is going on YouTube. That dog wants to hurt me, and I'm scared. I'm scared. It's a good thing it's on its leash.
Okay, I think the guy might be gone.
Keep walk. Okay, I'm gonna cut through here. Wait. I'm gonna do a 360. Oh, what? They just called us idiots. Oh boy.
Not you.
I know. Sure. Okay, here we go. We're gonna try the same house. I'm gonna see if I can put it up again. Okay, here we go. Okay, here. Okay, well, hold on. We're waiting for this person to pass by. God. Can't even get it to stay. Okay. Crap. There's someone there. Okay, here we go. Oh, just a nice Saturday night. Ding dong dishing. Okay.
Do you see the door?
Okay, there's the door. Here we go.
Before the guy comes out.
Okay, I'm right behind the camera. Oh, they're not opening the door. Oh, come on. Okay, new location. No. I know. Okay, walking again. No one answers their doors again.
Yeah, but remember, Andrew's over there?
Oh, and then there's those people. It's called idiots.
Are they all idiots? I'm gonna beat the shit out of them. Still. Look at them down there.
Oh, if I had this camera yesterday, we were swearing at some teenagers that started swearing at us. It got pretty fun until they got into their car and tracked us down. Okay, watch these kids call us idiots. And there's a dog that wants to kill me. No, we didn't do anything. Okay, we're gonna go down the steep hill really fast. It's gonna get crazy. We're going out of control. Oh, hey, for all you viewers, yellow one, yellow classic. And we're not babies, we're having some fun. Unlike those noobs. I want to flip them off, but I know I can't. And now they're laughing at us. Oh, yep. Okay, we gotta move before they send out authorities. Okay, we're going into part 3. Goodbye.